Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about shortcut keys. And what shortcut keys, or I call them quick keys, are basically keys that help you quickly navigate through Photoshop, through the different tools and the different effects that you can do in Photoshop. For example, on my tool palette, if I hover my mouse over long enough, you'll see that it says the Move tool and then it has parentheses V. Now if I hold down the V button on my keypad, then all of a sudden it highlights that. If I hold down the M, it moves it to the marquee tool. And if I do the L, it does it for the lasso tool, or W for the wand tool. So if I hold down my mouse over these, it tells me what each of the commands are. And as I get familiar with these tools and the more I use them, then chances are the faster I will be at using quick keys to navigate through Photoshop. And you ask, why is it important to use quick keys in navigating into Photoshop? Well, that's a great question. Navigating into Photoshop with quick commands make you a lot more efficient, and you can be really specific and precise on your programming, designing, whatever it may be, without having to move your mouse over and highlight the thing and move it back. So yes, it saves you time, but it also keeps you focused. You may be zoomed in really close to something and don't want to lose those pixels. So having a quick command or the shortcut key helps you so that you can continue designing without getting distracted or having to go to a menu and then finding where you were again. I highly recommend that you study these quick commands so that you will be able to more efficiently navigate through Photoshop. Let me go over a few things with these quick commands. You'll notice that under all of these have different commands that you can use, and they have little buttons to the side of them, or they have, for example, this is a command plus button and a command minus button. Now on a PC it would probably be control plus and control minus. But here is how I know to zoom in and zoom out. Those are the quick commands. So you can hold down the command and plus and you zoom in, or the command and minus and you zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Now it's the same thing here. I have my magnifying glass and I can click to zoom in, but then I have to go back and click, and if I want to zoom back out, I have to hold the Option or the Alt key to zoom out. So having these quick commands make it really easy for me to get exactly where I want to be without having a lot of headache and trying to figure out, okay, I've got to go over here, I've got to do this. So I highly recommend that you take the time, especially on the features and the tools that you use the most, to learn those quick keys so that you'll be able to be more efficient. And that is a really short overview on the shortcut keys. And just remember that you can highlight and it'll tell you all of these things. Now let me tell you one other thing before I end this video. When you see a bunch of stuff, that is, you need to hold all of those keys down. For example, this would be Option, Shift, Command F. So I need to hold all of those down in order to find layers, or all layers, Option, Command A, or Select All, Command A. So there's a lot of different commands, and we just barely scratched the surface. I just wanted to bring to your attention where they were at. So if you didn't know, okay, you need to save early and often, well, Command S. Instead of having to go up to File and Save, you can just hit Command S and it saves. So instead of having to do that, that just makes it that much easier for you to navigate through Photoshop. So that is the video on the shortcut keys. The next video that we'll talk about is auto select.